I want to make a real quick update. Recently I installed a vise in the back of my van, and it's been coming in handy. It's been awesome. But this is the first time I've needed to put a water heater in the truck. I wasn't sure if it was going to fit. Now I can pull out the vise if I have to get a little more width, but this is awesome. So I really don't have much room to spare. Look. So with the water heater, that's a 50-gallon LP power vent, and well, with this pipe in the way, it's right up against the pipe, and it's right next to my vise, which, like I said, I can get myself another 6 inches. I could get myself even more right here if I take the pipe out, but don't need it. Well, check this vise out. You just lift up, pull out. That thing is awesome. I've had this thing and it was like tucked up here. I never used it because it was too hard to get it out. Ever since I did this a few weeks ago, I've been using it non-stop. Please like and subscribe. Take care.